Hello, thank you for coming to my channel. It's been a while. Today it's quick and sweet. We're going to make this decoupage wall art. We are going to seal it using resin. So we're going to have a resin and fabric decoupage wall art. I'm Juliet Mego, and this channel I normally share with you resin art pieces, how to do it, how to style it. And for those who've been here over the years, it's been a while now, you may have already watched how we did this decoupage on this canvas. So please check out the card above or in the description below to see how we did this. And that's why today is short, because the bit of making this takes some days and quite some time. I love this contrast, and I thought, you know what, I still have this piece, why not seal it with resin? And this is canvas, and so for it not to get a little taut, so that it doesn't, resin doesn't sink or make this warped, I've already spritzed with water like this, and then I can use it. I prefer to use wood or boards, but you can also use canvas, especially if you have to ship them and they're heavy. This works very well. So apart from this art piece, I'm going to be using this hot gun. I have a blowtorch for removing the bubbles. I am going to I've already mixed in my resin. It's clear, not complicated. If this is your first time, check out my previous videos and you will see how we mix this resin. And of course, I'm going to use this mask, all right, because you don't want the fumes generated to get into your system, of course. So the first thing you need to do, like I have done, I have tipped these edges so that because the resin will drip over, I don't want it to come here and I don't want to have to deal with this. So I'm praying it and hoping that it drips out down instead of pulling on the side. And if it pulls here, drops, it will be easier to remove the tip, as I'll show you at the end. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this, so you will notice that the view will be more close up, because I'm going to use these cups and place this on top, so that when it drips, it doesn't again pull at the base. The other thing you need to do is just check that it is level. I try give you a different view using a different camera. Now I'll wear the mask. Remember always to have gloves on, and then we'll pour the resin. We are now just going to cover it and wait for it to cure, and then I'll come show you the finished product. This has taken 24 hours to dry. It's here, it's done. Look at the difference that sheen makes to and helping these colors pop. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell, please, so that you don't miss out on such videos. Let me know what you'd have done different. God bless you. Barakatele. See you next time.